Ready to learn Vim motions from the ground up? This is a complete foundation. Vim motions are keyboard shortcuts that replicate the mouse and arrow keys. They let you jump between words, zip to specific lines, and navigate text like you have superpowers. Today we're building the entire toolkit. Movement commands in normal mode, efficient ways to enter insert mode, visual mode for text selection, plus all the copy-paste operations that make Vim users efficient. By the end of this video, you will know all the essential motions. Let's dive in and see what the fuss is about. H moves left, J moves down, K moves up, and L moves right. 0 takes you to the start of the line. $sign takes you to the end. Caret takes you to the real character. This is where Vim feels like magic or witchcraft, depends on who you ask. W jumps to the next word. E jumps to the end of this word. B jumps back to the last word. GG takes you to the first line. G takes you to the last line. H takes you to the top of your screen. M takes you to the middle. L goes to the bottom. F plus any character finds that character. Capital F searches backwards. T moves to the right before that character. Capital T moves to the right after, going backwards. Say you are in line with 3 commas and you want to go to the third one. Type F, comma, then semicolon again. These 3 keys will take you exactly where you want. $sign jumps to the matching bracket. Open curly brace moves to the last paragraph. Close curly brace moves to the next paragraph. Open parenthesis moves to the last sentence. Close parenthesis moves to the next sentence. / plus your word searches down. Question mark plus your word searches up. N repeats your search the same way. Capital N repeats it backwards. Star searches down for the word under your cursor. Hash searches up for the word under your cursor. 3W moves forward 3 words. 5J moves down 5 lines. 2F plus a character finds the second one. 4 open brace moves up 4 paragraphs. CC changes the whole line. CW changes the next word. C $sign changes to the end of the line. Remember those text objects we talked about? CI quote changes everything inside quotes. CA parenthesis changes everything around parentheses. CI brace changes everything inside braces. CA bracket changes around brackets. Yanks, which is a Vim language for copy. D delete, which cuts to the keyboard. P paste before or after. Capital P paste above or below. X deletes the character under your cursor. Capital X deletes before your cursor. YW copies the word. D $sign deletes to the end of the line. YY copies the whole line. DD deletes the whole line. I puts you in insert mode before the cursor. A puts you at the end of the line. Capital I puts you at the beginning. Capital A puts you at the very end. O creates a new line below. Capital O creates a new line above. S deletes the character under cursor and start inserting. Capital S deletes the whole line and start fresh. Each one puts you exactly where you want to start typing, and escape brings you back to normal mode. V selects by character. Capital V selects whole lines. Control V selects blocks. VW selects the next word. V $sign selects to the end of the line. Capital V 3J selects 3 lines down. Control V, then move around, select rectangles of text. Once you've selected something, you can delete it with D, copy it with Y, or change it with C. Let's be honest, we all mess up. U undoes your last change. Control R redoes what you just undid. Keep pressing U, you will go back in time. Keep pressing Control R to go forward again. This is version control for mistakes. Pick only 3 moves from this video. Practice them for 1 week. Don't try to learn everything. Master 3, then come back for 3 more. Drop your comments and tell me your 3 picks. Until next time.